Hello, it's yoga time once again. So we are all going to do yoga. As you all know, children, yoga is always done on a yoga mat, or if you don't have a yoga mat, you do yoga on a carpet. So I have my yoga mat here and I'm going to unroll it. Put your yoga mat down and remember to unroll it carefully. Devyani auntie has already taught you about rolling and unrolling of table mats. So this is a very large mat like the one that Devyani auntie had, and we have unrolled it. After that, we're going to sit cross-legged. How do you sit cross-legged? You all know how to sit cross-legged? This is how you sit cross-legged. Sit on your mat in the center of the mat. Put your arms on your knees like this, and now say Om. We will say Om thrice. We will inhale first, that is breathe in, and when we breathe out, which is called exhale, we will say Om. Close your eyes, everyone. Now, without opening your eyes, put your hands together, rub them till you feel your palms get a little warm. Now place your palms over your eyes, hold there for a little bit. Now put your arms down and open your eyes. So we are ready to start our yoga exercises. The first thing you do is sit straight in what we call Dandasana. Put your legs straight, your feet absolutely smartly standing up like this. Now we are going to flap our feet back and forth. We're going to do everything thrice and we can count. You all know how to count up till 3. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Once we've done that, we're going to now rotate our feet. You know what is rotation? Please watch what I'm doing with my feet. Okay, we'll first rotate thrice, both the feet together in the clockwise direction and then thrice in the anti-clockwise direction. So see what we're doing. 1, 2, 3. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Now you can open your legs a little bit and let's do inwards and outwards. So 1, 2, 3. And now outwards. 1, 2, 3. Put your legs together again and let's flap our feet alternately. Okay, so first one foot goes back and then the other foot goes forward back. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Now once we've done all of this, let's change the way we are sitting. We're quite bored sitting like this, right? So we sit in a position called the Vajrasana. Sit with your legs under you. Alright? Sit with your legs under you. Sit straight. Put your arms on your knees like this and put your arms up. And let's do open and close with our fingers. We all know how to open and close. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Once we've done that, put your thumbs, this is your thumbkin, put it on your palm like this and close your fingers. Now let's move our wrists. You know what is your wrist? These are your wrists. So let us move these. Again, inwards. 1, 2, 3. Now outwards. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Put your arms down. Now you have to bend your elbows. and put your hands on your shoulders like this. Now once you've touched your shoulders, you can put your arms outwards and let's rotate our arms and make big circles with our arms. And what are we going to do? We're going to try and touch our elbows in front. Alright, so let's do 1, 2, 3. Now let's do in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3. Once we've done that, we'll do one more exercise with our arms. We put our arms up and down. You know how you want to? We do wind the bobbin up. So similarly, we're going to do up and down. We'll do that thrice. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now put your arms back over here. Now sit in Sukhasana again, which is the most comfortable way of sitting. And we are again going to say Om thrice before we end for the day. Put your arms here and close your eyes. Breathe in. Rub your hands. Place them over your eyes, put your hands down, and remember it's not over till we have rolled our mat and put it away. Again, you've been taught to roll your mat, so please roll your mat. How did Diryani auntie teach you? Let's do it. We go to the edge of the mat, we lift it carefully, and then we slowly roll our mat. Remember to do it very slowly, using your hands completely. Use all your fingers and your thumb. This is how you roll your mat. Roll it tightly. Be patient. Here, my mat is very neatly rolled up. And say hello to my little pet at home. Come, Django, come here. Come. Little Django. So let's see you all. When you do your yoga, tell Mama to make a video and send it to Auntie. Bye for now. See you all.